Hello guys!
Hey guys, we're at amundö.
Yes, a protected area apparently. It's very beautiful here.
It's a really cool place actually.
Yeah.
It means that all the wildlife here is protected during certain periods of the year or
Yeah.
throughout the entire year.
We've seen sign everywhere that we can't go where we want to, but it's beautiful. Like you film the grass, you will see in the B-roll. Dennis will put in.
I'm gonna show you guys, there are some horses, like there's tons of cool birds and everything.
Yeah.
And like there are several places here we could go and dive. Unfortunately we don't know whether it's messy or not.
It was a funny name. Yeah. We can translate snorkelstugan.
Yeah, it's like a snorkeling path.
Yeah, exactly. We just have to try it. It's a sign for us.
We do hope that there is no trash here, but if there is, we'll find it and we'll pick it up.
Yeah, we find some on the way, but yeah, cigarette buds.
We'll see you guys by the beach when we do the intro.
Yeah.
Bye.
Yeah.
Here we are at amundö. We talked to you before. And,
yeah, apparently this snorkelingsleden is a path for us to swim in.
And it's like a museum sort of. It tells you about the plant life and everything. So we decided that, because we only have time for one dive today, that we're gonna do this.
Yeah, so we will begin here. Yeah. We'll go sign by sign. And this area is 200 meters.
Men vart är vi?